How to share audio files directly from AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, select any editing tools such as Trim, Merge, Convert, Compress or any other tool you use to finalize your audio. Import the audio file that you want to share, then edit the audio according to your preferences. Once your file is ready, tap the Save button to save the edited audio to your device storage. After saving, you will see the Share button. Tap on it and the menu will appear with multiple sharing options including social media apps, messaging apps, email or cloud storage platforms. Select your preferred sharing method and follow the prompts to send your audio file directly to friends, colleagues or collaborators. AudioLab ensures that your file retains its quality while making sharing fast, simple and convenient. Now you know how to share audio files directly from AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.